No, it's just...
Welcome to our mathcast on U.S. Customary Conversions. Our goal is to help you better understand the concept at hand when you need it and at your own pace. We hope you enjoy this mathcast on U.S. Customary Conversions by us. The U.S. has different conversions from the rest of the world. Here's how to convert length. 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. 1 yard equals 3 feet. 1 foot equals 12 inches. And 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters.
In the U.S., mass is measured in ounces, pounds, and tons. 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. 1 pound equals 16 ounces.
In the U.S., volume is measured in gallons, quarts, pints, cups, and fluid ounces. There's also the gallon man, in which, as you can see, there's 1 gallon, 4 quarts as different limbs, 2 pints connected to the quart, meaning that there are 2 pints per each quart, 2 cups per each pint. 1 gallon is 4 quarts. 1 quart is 2 pints. 1 pint is 2 cups. And 1 cup is 8 fluid ounces.
Mrs. Green steps on the scale with her chihuahua. They weigh 158 pounds. Alone, Mrs. Green weighs 151 pounds. How many ounces does her chihuahua weigh? Okay, first we want to know how many pounds the chihuahua weighs. So you'll subtract Mrs. Green's weight from the total weight. We get 7 pounds. Then, you need to know how many ounces is 7 pounds. Since there are 16 ounces in 1 pound, we just multiply by 16. 7 times 16. We get 112. Your answer is 112 ounces. Yay!
Mr. Computers walked to work. He was walking at a speed of 32 yards a minute. It took him 110 minutes to get to work. How many miles does he live from his work? First, let's set up the problem. Because distance equals rate times time, you set it up as 110 times 32. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2. Times 1 again is 2. Then 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Here. Then we need to add that. So 0, 2 and 0, that's 2. 2 and 3 is 5. And then 3. So 3,520. So he lives 3,520 yards from his work. Now we need to figure out what that is in miles. To do that, you need to figure out how many yards are in a mile first. To do that, we will divide 5,280 feet, because that's how many feet are in a mile, by 3. Okay, so 3,280. 5,000, I mean. Divided by 3. 3 goes into 5 one time, so 5 minus 3 is 2. Goes into 22 7 times, 21 minus 22 is 1. Goes into 8 6 times, and then you have nothing left over, and it goes into 0 0 times. So 1,760 yards are in a mile. So now to figure out how many miles he lives from his work, we'll divide 3,520, how many yards he lives from his work, by 1,760 yards. 3,520 divided by 1,760. So 1,760 goes into 3,520 twice. So 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. Add the 1, 15. 2 times 1 is 2. Add 1, you get 3. So it's a nice even 2 miles. So your answer is 2 miles. Yay!
Billy has 1 gallon of buttermilk for pancakes. 1 pancake needs 3 fluid ounces of buttermilk. How many pancakes can Billy make with how much buttermilk left over? Us will bring in the gallon man. Boing! Okay, so now the gallon man is here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 cups in 1 gallon. So that will be very useful information, so I will write it down. Now we need to times 16 by 8 because there's 8 fluid ounces in each cup. Okay, so there is 128 fluid ounces in 1 cup. Now that we know that, we will need to divide 128 by 3, because that is how many fluid ounces is required for 1 pancake. Okay, I'll speed up this part so it doesn't take too much time. So because it is 128 divided by 3 does not actually work together. Here, you will have 42 pancakes you will be able to make with 2 fluid ounces of buttermilk left over from the 128. So you can make 42 pancakes and you'll have 2 fluid ounces of buttermilk left over. Thank you for listening to this mathcast. Please feel free to listen and learn from other mathcasts on this channel. Thank you!